In the thriving construction landscape of the GCC, ensuring the efficiency and quality of your concrete deliveries is essential. Introducing the VZONE TRACK app, your solution for real-time monitoring of critical drum rotation metrics, ensuring every batch meets your standards. Understanding the total operation time of your drum is key to maintaining consistent concrete quality. With VZONE TRACK, monitor this crucial metric to ensure your concrete is mixed to perfection every time. The speed at which your drum rotates and the number of starts can significantly impact the consistency of your concrete. VZONE TRACK provides real-time insights into these parameters, helping you maintain high standards for every delivery. Temperature control is vital in ensuring your concrete remains in the best condition during delivery. VZONE TRACK monitors drum temperature, alerting you instantly to any potential issues so you can take corrective action before it's too late. Stay ahead of the game with VZONE TRACK. Monitor total drum operation time, rotation speed, number of starts, and temperature, all in one place. Download the app today and ensure every concrete delivery is a success across the GCC. We have the solutions with Smart VZONE TRACK GPS device. Experience world number 1 GPS tracking system with world-class features. The industry leader in fleet management solution. VZONE International, world number 1 fleet management solution.